little video. Didn't know if that would help you out as well. Side of the house that goes to the back. Unsure if I'd do anything over here or not, lighting wise. Come around the front here. This is a big tree. I thought I'd put some lights going up in there with the bed. 2 holly bushes are staying. The other 2 bushes, they are leaving. This is the front of the house. There's this bed here. Those rocks will get moved around to different spots. And there's this corner here, which I thought possibly a light on either side of that window. And there's this bed here with this tree as I come around. And I thought, yes, it'd be good to have something shining up in there. Come around from the other side here too. So that is what I have. Hope that helps.